Another day, another update, guys. We're back at it again. See your favorite captain, Captain Callistus. Always. You know, say now on a seat I occupy today. Which I want to talk about. And that thing where some of una, once una sit down like this, una they look through the window, fear they catch una. Especially when there is a bit of shaky, you know now, turbulence. Good. Bring it on here. Let me show them. A passenger you be. Now see this wing. Now the wing of the aeroplane be this. By the time we turbulence done the that shaky done the day. This wing now, you go come they flip up and down. You go come they do like this. Una go come fear go come enter on a body. You go come they say, make this thing no break, make it no break. It be like say the thing they shake too much. Now there, some person self, they go decide to now say, okay, may they close the window. May they know they see them. They go come the cabash on top. Guess what? Do you know that the time where they manufacture this aeroplane, if they manufacture and finish, they put them under test. That test no be anything. No be say they go as they put them on top the wing of the aeroplane, they go fly and go they test them like that. For the place where they manufacture them, before they even fix the wing of this aeroplane on top the body of this aeroplane, they don't first suspend that. Come put them under enough stress where we say the thing, the wing of this aeroplane even flip like 90 degrees, come down. This one, the wing no too long. Like the wide bodies, then like the 787. You see a video of the 787 wing being put on that test. That test na stress from waiting, from turbulence, from whatever, from hard landing and all that. Made it that up and down way they clap. They will put them to the maximum that it can go. And what? Come down. They go see say it still retain the durability to be on top the aeroplane. And so they go now say, okay, this wing with this certified strength, it go feel withstand any turbulence. So anytime where you be passenger, you enter aeroplane, where you pay your money, hard-earned money, you now want to enjoy the money, you will come to enjoy them the hard way. No, if you make money, you enjoy them the soft way. So once you sit down for the window, for your seat like this, just they clap your leg as they clap up. Even if the wing they do like this, they tell you, say, hello, how are you? Hello, how are you? No shake, nothing they happen. The wing of the aeroplane is strong, kakaraka, say, nothing they move on. All right? So the update, now I say, make I bring, come give you, make una know the fear anytime where una see the wing of the aeroplane. They shake body or they dance. If they dance, they follow nothing. Enjoy your money. All right. If you have any updates or any question about this, please do me a favor to do what? To drop it under the comment section, and whenever I see that, I will definitely bring the update to you guys. See your favorite captain, Captain Callistus. Always. Cheers, guys.